Alright, so today we are going to install an exhaust from my buddy Andrew's car. To start it off, let's do a quick car wash because it is really dirty and I haven't washed it in a couple of weeks, so let's get that started. Finally, he has arrived. What's going on, Andrew?
What's up, Jeff?
Alrighty, so what year is this car?
2016.
2016 Civic, and I believe it's an LX, which is the non-turbo version. There it is. Got the Invidia N1. Is it an N1?
Yep.
Invidia N1 exhaust. So let's see how this sounds. Going right there too. Nice.
Oh boy.
Oh snap. Here it is. Ooh. Is that the mid pipe? That's a mid pipe, I believe. Not too sure. And then some more. Oh look. I believe this is the silencer.
Oh, we don't want that.
You don't want that. You want to be a loud boy, don't you?
Here it is.
Oh snap. I believe this is a
Tome.
Tome? What's going on, man?
Not much.
Getting the whole squad here, so. Got the boy Nick with his clean M3. What's going on, man?
What's going on? So you got your setup and everything.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Oh snap! Look who's there. Chris. Chris is SI. A lot of stuff planned for that, and you ran into a little bit of delay. What happened?
You're gone.
No comments. Okay.
You got sick.
All right. You got really sick, did you?
Coronavirus, man.
COVID-19? So right now we got everything laid out. What kind of muffler do you have on here?
I don't even know.
You don't even know? Come on, man.
My dad ordered it.
That's really raspy. Dang, fast guy right here.
No, never.
Yeah, we're talking about kids over here.
I know.
Whoa, sad boy.
What?
Sad boy.
Oh no. 1-800.
Here's my number, homie. Like 1-800. Go fuck yourself.
Just talk to Logic.
Clean Mustang. Look at those RTR wheels.
Okay,
Baller. What's going on, man?
Chilling.
Oh shit. Damn, making me a drink. Damn, calm down. Looks like we have 3 bolts to deal with because Andrew already has a resonator delete and some sort of muffler. All right, so we got the stock exhaust out. Well, not stock, but got the exhaust out, and it's time to put this bad boy in.
Yeah.
It's 3 a.m. somewhere, right? It's almost 3.
Yeah, and they did a crappy as well, dude. That's bad.
That's what happens when you take it to a muffler shop. No,
What they
kidding,
do?
I don't even know. I mean, it's just they just welded a
Where's your
pipe.
Oh, but
pipes are
small. What?
Damn, what is yours? 2.5 or 3 inch?
I think 2.5.
Dude, that's small.
That
dude.
is small. That can fit up your booty hole.
Like,
Dude, that's Andrew's size right there, man. Hey,
damn. You have your size on deck, dude.
That's 2 incher right there.
Man, I don't know why you guys are obsessed with comparing sizes, but
Hey, man, this is what
You
you
gotta
gotta
see
use
this
in
the
the
smallest.
protection, man.
Whoa.
It fits perfect, dude.
Dang, clean. There you go. All right, now ship it back. Ship this back to them.
Just tell them it
Like,
didn't
thanks
fit.
for this gift. There's nothing wrong with that, guys. Wait, maybe this is the piece that I'm
Wrong way.
Other way. What? You don't know what you're saying. What the
This
fuck?
way. What the fuck?
No, other way.
Boy, why would it twist that way when this one's going that way?
Wait.
So it's that way.
Yeah.
This guy does not know. No wonder why we call him the Rice Rocket Cannon, man. It's just 2 millimeter defeater, man.
Bro, you're scuffing your titanium.
Yeah, man.
He's gonna remember this guy. Why? Yeah, that looks right. When we
There you
get
go.
older, like, yo, I remember y'all saying.
Kind of lined up, except yeah, pretty
Yeah,
much.
where'd you get the toe mate from?
Oh, this guy looks good. Hey, are you gonna need to bolt together first? Yeah, should we bolt it together?
Alright, Andrew, it's not your turn now.
Fine.
Have fun.
Put it on.
Yeah, then your car blows up.
PS? Yeah, I'm good. GameStop will have PS5 bundles in stock.
Let me get
Just go up to it.
All right, so this is what it looks like.
Let's get close then.
Pretty basic,
Alright, tell me when.
and we're gonna do a startup right now. Go for it. Yeah.
Yeah? No.
A little bit more.
That's good.
Sounds good.
That's good.
Yeah, sounds pretty good.
That's good. Deep. Calm down. What are you going for a third?
It's not bad. It's not bad.
That's good. I like it.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
It's less rice.
Sounds basic.
He was cooking rice before. Now he's out here hunting alligators.
Yeah,
Let's put the car down.
the previous setup looked. It sounded like tin can, huh? Like it was really. The previous setup was. Yeah, it was very raspy. But this one was good.
like it.
You like it?
Good shit. Good shit.
It sounds smooth. I like it. Oh, we need to begin.
So we're gonna do a flyby.
That's just like,
Let's see how it sounds.
get flagged.
Yeah, I'll be careful when you hit bumps, dude.
You should be fine.
Now you say that now.
Ooh, you hear those? You hear those pops?
Yeah.
It's exhaust.
Oh yeah, I forgot. How's he gonna carry his stock exhaust back? But it's okay because we got John with the
Fucking
minivan.
hero.
There he is. All right, so what do you think about it?
I like it. Better.
It's gonna have to go in the passenger seat. Yeah. Ooh, you just made that dirty right there. Fuck. Hurry, open it.
Let's just throw this away.
No, it's kind of. It sucks because it's like a whole piping, because everything is welded, so we can't take it apart.
I don't want to put it on this, John. You already put it in the spot.
You like some now?
Somebody push it. We're gonna have to angle it.
Yeah, it's more difficult than we expected. We thought it was gonna fit pretty easily, but it's a whole single piece since it's welded, and we can't really take it apart, obviously. If you guys enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment, and we have more videos in store, especially for Chris's SI. So when are your parts coming in, man?
Never.
Yeah, the K series has been lagging on him in his new exhaust. It's been 2 months and he hasn't gotten his exhaust yet, which is crazy. Coilover's coming in, and we got those wheels, which is coming in next year. So yeah, it should be interesting. So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Peace out, and I'll see you guys on the next one.